Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to showcase yet another montage video of this super awesome place I went to in Rowland Heights, California. It's called the Frank and Son's Collectible Show. If you like anything pop culture, they will have it there. They sell all kinds of cool collectibles and I definitely recommend you guys checking them out if you're ever in that area. I'm gonna leave all their details in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations for anyone planning on going. I honestly will be going back hopefully next time I'm in California. So if you have any recommendations for me, please leave them down in the comments. So now I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys what the heck I'm talking about. So I hope you enjoyed this video.